Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laju. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello everyone. So welcome back. Today we are doing something different. We're making a board game for kids. Well, I don't call it a board game, but we're making bingo. So a bingo game, and a lot of messages have been going around with bingo, and it got me thinking, why don't you do one for kids? And we got a message from the last former school last week, so I just put everything together and I came up with this idea to make a bingo for kids, for toddlers. So it's pretty easy. Yeah. What I have done, I have this brown paper at home, wrapping paper, or you can use a cardboard, anything really that works for you. And I had the paper is pretty soft, so I got some white cardboard. So this white cardboard, you can use a white cardboard. Mine was a packaging of something. I just kept it. I just always keep those kind of things. You never know when it comes in handy, and right now it's coming in handy. So I cut it into different shapes and I saved this, as you can see. So what we will do now is that we'll just put some stickers all over, you know, just to make it look nice. But we've run out of stickers. So I only have like letter stickers. Oh, the last I put in stickers already. I only have these letter stickers left. So, and I got some of these felt stickers from some of our old crafts, and or you could just cut up an old birthday or Christmas card, cut up the shapes, and you know, put glue at the back just to make it fun, so it doesn't look too plain since it's for kids. So let's get right into it. So Dala, you put in the sticker already? Oh, she's just sticking it everywhere. Okay, just put it all over. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so just make it look a little bit attractive. So we'll go ahead and write the things we want to do. So the things we're going to be putting on this sound bingo, I wrote a list, just a short list. I don't know if you can see it. So the first one is a car sound. The sound of a car is a sound bingo. So every time you hear a sound, you know, we tick it that we've heard the sound of a car today. The next one is a kettle boiling. You know, if we boil water or something, we tick it like, oh, tick, we got that on the list. I'm trying to use things that are indoors, so we don't really have to go out, but you can, you know, expand it and write things like a lawnmower. That's also a great one. If you're mowing your lawn or someone is mowing the lawn and you pick up the sound nearby, because now we're all trying to avoid going out, you also tick it. So to tick it, if you have stickers, you can put your sticker as your tick, really, you know, or right, you put that right in the middle. Or another thing that you can do, another idea that came to mind, if you want to make use of this for something else, or you want to change it, you know, every now or then, you can use this. Just write whatever you're writing and put it on it. Okay, so here it is, guys. I just want it to look really nice and colorful. That's why I added that, but you don't have to add that. The next thing we're going to do now is that we're going to fill out the things that we're doing. And as we do them, we can either remove the color, you can just remove it, the sticky pads, or you can just stick it. If you have more ideas, you can always add new sticky pads. So it can be a continuous game. Yeah? So let's get started. So we're going to write. Have you put all the stickers? Come on. Yeah. So a car sound. I'll write that first. A car sound. Or should I just write a car? Let's just leave it as a car. When you hear a car. Oh, another thing we can have is sound of an airplane. If you're living near the airport, not really, we don't live near the airport, but we occasionally, maybe we're a bit near the airport, we occasionally hear an aeroplane, so I'll also be adding that. A kettle boiling, and a siren. We occasionally hear fire trucks or ambulance. So, and running water every time. Running water. Running water? Yes, when you put on the tap. A bird. Occasionally you hear a bird chirping. Bird chirping. So I do have 2 empty slots I'm thinking I should put a car on, but we don't really hear cars honking around here, like hardly. So that may not work. Sometimes we hear children playing. You can put that also, children playing. So I'll just put those two, a car on and children playing. Since everyone is home, we usually hear children playing from outside. I really don't want to put the car on because I think we're not going to hear that in a while, but it depends on where you are. If you hear that often, you can have that too. We have one empty slot. I'm just thinking of what that could be. I'm going to put the lawnmower. Yeah, even though we are not going out, sometimes we do hear people mowing their lawn. So yeah, I had a lawnmower. So when you hear the sound of a lawnmower, Dola, you let mommy know.
It's me.
Is it you? Now this game will be more fun for older kids, like not older, but my daughter is 2, so she may not really get it, but I'll try to engage her in it as much as possible. So when you hear the sound of an aeroplane, Della, what do?
We fly.
We fly.
Shall we go to the aeroplane?
No, not now.
Oh, it's up to the sky.
Yeah, it's in the sky.
Shall we fly it?
You want to fly the plane?
Yes.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yes. And you sit down here. Now I want to drive it.
You want to drive the plane?
Yes.
You know when you hear the bird? Outside? You say, Mommy, is that a bird?
Yes.
With ticket. If you hear water running,
Couple.
when you open the tap, what's
No. Coyotes.
Courtiers? Is it courtiers?
Coyotes.
Courtiers, yeah.
I can have a bird.
You can hear a bird already? You have courtiers.
Yes.
PJ Mask.
Cowboy.
So if you hear children playing outside, say, Mommy, children, I hear children playing.
Cowboy.
With ticket. So you have to use your courtiers.
Coyotes.
So far, we've ticked almost everything on the sound bingo, some more than once, except for the siren. Funny enough, we haven't heard any ambulance or fire trucks pass by, but at this point, I'll remove these ones and I can always add new ones, if I think of more sounds to add. If you've enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching.